Welcome to the VOX Books User Guide. In this video, we are going to show you step-by-step how to use the VOX Reader. To charge the device, simply attach the included wall adapter to the charge port. Both lights will blink while charging. If the VOX Reader isn't charged, the blue light will blink. To start audio narration, press the top button, marked with the play-pause symbol. Both lights will flash to confirm that the reader is ready to play. After a brief pause, the audio will begin, and a red light will blink. The VOX Reader will advance through the book automatically with unique sound cues, but to skip forward, press the right arrow button, or to listen to the previous page, press the left arrow button. To listen with headphones, plug your headphone cord into the audio jack. This is the same port that you plug your charging cable into. To raise the volume, press the button with the plus symbol. To lower the volume, press the button with the minus symbol. The VOX Reader will stop playing once you finish the last page. To turn off the reader, press the button with the square. And that's it. Listen, read along, and enjoy your fully narrated VOX book.